If ABGs confuse you, you're not the problem. Nobody ever broke it down in a way that actually makes sense. So let me fix that in under a few minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to PCU Prep. I'm Marcus. And today we're breaking down ABGs, arterial blood gases, in the simplest way possible. No overthinking, no confusion, just a step-by-step method you can use on any question. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you're going to feel way more confident. All right, first things first. ABGs are just a way for us to understand what's going on with a patient's acid-base balance. In other words, are they too acidic or too basic? And there are three main values you need to focus on: pH, PaCO2, and HCO3. That's it. You do not need to memorize a million things. Just understand what these three mean. Now let's lock in the normal values, because everything depends on this. pH, 735 to 745. PaCO2, 35 to 45. HCO3, 22 to 26. I'm going to give you a quick trick. Think of it like this. 7.4, 40, 24. That's your perfect ABG. If you remember that, you can always find your way back to normal. All right, this is the method I want you to use every single time. 3 steps, that's it. Step 1, look at the pH. Is it acidic or is it alkalotic? If it's below 735, that's acidosis. If it's above 7.45, that's alkalosis. Step 2, look at PaCO2. This tells you if it's respiratory. Step 3, look at HCO3. This tells you if it's metabolic. That's your whole framework. Don't overcomplicate it. Respiratory versus metabolic. Now let's make this make sense. PaCO2 is controlled by the lungs, so if CO2 is the problem, it's respiratory. HCO3 is controlled by the kidneys, so if bicarbonate is the problem, it's metabolic. Think of it like this. Lungs are respiratory, kidneys are metabolic. If you remember that, you'll never mix them up. Acidosis versus alkalosis. Now let's put it together. If your pH is low, that's acidosis. Then you ask, what's causing it? If CO2 is high, respiratory acidosis. If HCO3 is low, metabolic acidosis. Now flip it. If your pH is high, that's alkalosis. If CO2 is low, respiratory alkalosis. If HCO3 is high, metabolic alkalosis. All right, let's walk through one together. pH is 7 on 30, PaCO2 is 50, HCO3 is 24. Step 1, look at the pH. 730 is low, so that's acidosis. Step 2, what's causing it? CO2 is high, and remember, CO2 is respiratory. So this is respiratory acidosis. And HCO3 is normal, so there's no compensation yet. See how simple that is? All right, let's keep the momentum going and walk through another practice example together. pH is 7.48, PaCO2 is 30, HCO3 is 24. Step 1, pH is high, so alkalosis. Step 2, CO2 is low. That means respiratory alkalosis. And again, HCO3 is normal, so no compensation. Same method every time. Now let's talk about compensation, and don't overthink this. Compensation just means the body is trying to fix the problem. So if it's a respiratory issue, the kidneys will try to help. If it's a metabolic issue, the lungs will try to help. Here's the key. If both CO2 and HCO3 are abnormal, your patient is compensating. If only one is abnormal, there's no compensation yet. That's all you need to know for most exam questions. All right, let's test your knowledge. pH is 7.32, PaCO2 is 48, HCO3 is 24. What is this? Step 1, pH is low, so acidosis. Step 2, CO2 is high, respiratory problem. So this is respiratory acidosis. And since HCO3 is normal, there's no compensation yet. Practice question 2, next one. pH is 750, PaCO2 is 40, HCO3 is 30. Step 1, pH is high, alkalosis. Step 2, CO2 is normal, so not respiratory. HCO3 is high, metabolic problem. So this is metabolic alkalosis. And again, no compensation. Practice question 3. Last one. Let's make it a little trickier. pH is 7.36, PaCO2 is 50, HCO3 is 30. Now look closely. pH is normal, but it's leaning toward acidosis. CO2 is high. That pushes toward acidosis. HCO3 is also high, meaning the body is trying to compensate. So this is compensated respiratory acidosis. That's how you think through it. Don't panic when the pH looks normal. All right, let's bring everything together. Step 1, check the pH. Step 2, look at CO2 for respiratory. Step 3, look at HCO3 for metabolic. And remember your normal 7.4, 40, 24. If you follow those steps, you can break down any ABG. Quick rapid fire before we go. Low pH, my acidosis. High pH, my alkalosis. high CO2 for respiratory acidosis, low CO2 for respiratory alkalosis, low HCO3, metabolic acidosis, high HCO3, metabolic alkalosis. And if both CO2 and HCO3 are off, that's compensation. Lock that in. And that's ABGs, simplified. If this topic ever stressed you out before, I hope it feels a lot clearer now. Drop in the comments. Do you want more practice questions? And if this helped you, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Next up, we're breaking down shock, and I promise I'm going to make that make sense too. I'll see you in the next one.